Hey, got another geometry ACT question here. In this case, they're telling us that AB is equal to AE, and then they're asking us of the angles BA, BFA, BGA, blah, 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 which of those have the greatest tangent? Well, all of those angles that they're talking about, they all have a very similar structure. BEA is right here. BFA is right there. So very similar angles. The angles that they're talking about are going to be this one right here, and then this one, and then it's going to be that one, and then that one, and then that one. But they want to know which one has the greatest tangent. So either it's going to be tangent of, let's say, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I'm just going to label them for now as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make it a little easier. So is tangent of angle 1 the greatest? Or maybe it's going to be tangent of angle 5. Which one comes out the greatest? Well, if I wanted to set up some for tangent of angle 1, I could start by just labeling these sides. Let's say I called this A and I called this B. Then tangent of angle 1 would be A over B. It's opposite over adjacent. So the opposite angle 1 there is A, the adjacent is B. Okay, so that's A over B. Now, if I look at the other side where I've got angle 5, now the opposite to that is actually still A. A would be the opposite. This is the triangle you want to focus on when you're dealing with angle 5. And the opposite there would be A, because it is the side that's across from this angle. But then what's the adjacent? Well, the adjacent, last time it was B, but in this one, it's this entire thing. I could just call it AD. Now, AD is clearly bigger than B. Okay, so if AD is clearly bigger than B, that means that we're dividing by a bigger number. Now, what does that mean for the fraction? It means that the entire fraction is smaller. Okay, but the fraction is equal to tangent, so which one has the greatest tangent? Well, turns out it's going to be this one. Now, we only compared angle 1 and angle 5, but it's basically the same story. Angle 1 is going to produce the greatest number because it's going to have the smallest bottom. And all the other tops are all going to be A on the top. So therefore, we are done here. It's angle 1 that has the greatest tangent. And what was angle 1? Angle 1 was BEA. There we go. We are done with this problem.